Okay, let's add custom 360-degree photo as a background. So you can go to world block and drag this one over and then open asset folder right here. Sometimes you need to click this button to reactivate the folder. It depends on how often you use this folder. And then on your computer, prepare 360 background photo or image, and then you can just drag it over to this asset folder, and it says link copied. And if you already had that background uploaded, you can click this button to copy the link again. So this is a link to a location on the server, so the file is saved on the server, and you click here and then you can choose paste to paste the link to the storage on the server, and now you see the 360 background is applied to your VR world. You can also take a 360 photo using an app on your phone. There are many free apps that allows you to take 360 photo of your surroundings. So have fun.